Welcome to our comprehensive AWS Roadmap video, your ultimate guide to mastering Amazon Web Services. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced IT professional, this roadmap will take you through every step you need to become proficient in AWS, one of the most in-demand skills in today's tech industry. Let's dive in. Before diving into AWS, it's crucial to have a solid foundation in basic IT skills. Understanding concepts like operating systems, networking, and basic programming will set you up for success in cloud computing. This is the bedrock of your journey into the AWS ecosystem. Next, you need to familiarize yourself with cloud computing fundamentals. Learn about the different service models like infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. Understand the core principles of cloud computing, such as elasticity, scalability, and on-demand self-service. This knowledge is essential as you begin working with AWS. Now, let's explore AWS's global infrastructure. AWS operates in multiple regions and availability zones around the world. Understanding this, global infrastructure is key to designing resilient, low-latency, and scalable solutions. You'll also learn about concepts like edge locations, which are crucial for content delivery networks like Amazon CloudFront. Security is a top priority in AWS, and Identity and Access Management (IAM) is the backbone of AWS security. IAM allows you to manage access to AWS services and resources securely. You'll learn how to create users, groups, and roles, set up multi-factor authentication, and implement the principle of least privilege to keep your environment secure. Next, you'll delve into the Virtual Private Cloud, or VPC, which is your isolated network within AWS. VPCs allow you to control your networking environment, including the selection of IP address ranges, creation of subnets, and configuration of route tables and gateways. Mastering VPCs is crucial for creating secure and efficient cloud environments. Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2, is the backbone of compute services in AWS. EC2 allows you to launch virtual servers, called instances, with a variety of operating systems and configurations. You'll learn about different instance types, how to launch and manage instances, and how to scale them up or down based on demand. Amazon S3 is AWS's scalable storage service, designed for storing and retrieving any amount of data from anywhere. You'll discover how to create and manage S3 buckets, set permissions, and implement lifecycle policies. Understanding S3 is essential for handling data storage in AWS, whether for backup, archiving, or data lakes. The Relational Database Service, or RDS, simplifies the setup, operation, and scaling of relational databases in the cloud. RDS supports several database engines, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. You'll learn how to launch and configure RDS instances, perform backups, and ensure high availability through multi-IaaS deployments. Networking is a critical component of any cloud architecture. AWS offers powerful networking tools like Route 53, a scalable DNS service, and VPC peering, which allows you to connect VPCs across AWS accounts and regions. Mastering these services will enable you to build a robust and connected cloud environment. Serverless computing with AWS Lambda lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. You'll learn how to create Lambda functions, trigger them with events, and integrate them with other AWS services. Serverless architectures can greatly simplify the deployment and scaling of your applications. AWS auto-scaling and elastic load balancing are crucial for building scalable and resilient applications. Auto-scaling ensures your application can handle varying loads by automatically adjusting the number of EC2 instances. Elastic load balancing distributes incoming traffic across multiple targets, ensuring high availability and fault tolerance. Monitoring and logging are essential for maintaining and troubleshooting your AWS environment. AWS CloudWatch provides monitoring and observability, while CloudTrail logs all API activity in your account. Together, these tools help you ensure your applications are running smoothly and securely. Security in AWS extends beyond IAM. You'll also explore the Key Management Service (KMS) for encrypting data, the Web Application Firewall (WAF) for protecting your applications from common web exploits, and other security best practices. Ensuring your AWS environment is secure is critical for protecting your data and applications. Infrastructure as Code (IAC) allows you to manage and provision cloud resources using code. AWS, CloudFormation, and Terraform are popular IAC tools that enable you to automate the setup and management of your AWS infrastructure. You'll learn how to write templates and scripts to define your cloud architecture and deploy it consistently across environments. Amazon API Gateway is a fully managed service for creating, deploying, and managing APIs at any scale. You'll discover how to create RESTful and WebSocket APIs, integrate them with AWS Lambda, and secure them using IAM roles and authorizers. API Gateway is essential for building and managing scalable APIs in the cloud. Containerization is a key trend in modern application development. AWS offers multiple services for container orchestration, including Elastic Container Service, ECS, Elastic Kubernetes Service, EKS, and Fargate. You'll learn how to deploy and manage containerized applications, choose the right service for your needs, and optimize your container workloads. DevOps practices are essential for modern cloud development, and AWS offers a suite of tools to help you implement them. Code build, code pipeline, and code deploy enable you to automate the build, test, and deployment stages of your application development process. Mastering these tools will help you deliver applications faster and more reliably. Managing and optimizing your costs in AWS is crucial for maintaining a sustainable cloud environment. AWS offers tools like Cost Explorer and Trusted Advisor to help you monitor your spending, identify cost-saving opportunities, and set up budgets and alerts. Learning to manage costs effectively is a key skill for any AWS professional. To validate your skills and advance your career, consider pursuing AWS certifications. AWS offers certifications at different levels, including Cloud Practitioner, Solutions Architect, SysOps Administrator, and DevOps Engineer. These certifications are recognized industry-wide and can significantly boost your career prospects. AWS is a rapidly evolving platform, and continuous learning is essential to stay ahead. Make use of resources like AWS documentation, online courses, and community forums to keep your skills sharp and stay updated with the latest developments in cloud computing. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. It's an ongoing process of growth and learning. Thank you for watching. If you found this roadmap helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides and tutorials on cloud computing and AWS. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and share it with your peers. Until next time, keep learning and growing.